Here I have Google Nest Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So what you have to do is to just hold down combination of two keys, volume up and volume down at the same time.
You're about to completely reset this device.
And that's how it's done. And after a minute or so, your device will be restarted. And that's it. That's how it's done. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.